Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna record a video on volatility 75. Right guys, if you remember last week or some time back, I did a video on volatility 75, and this is the setup that we had previously on volatility 75. We had this is our wave 1, wave 2 here, wave 3 here, wave 4 there, and wave 5 over here. Right, this is the setup that we had the last time I uploaded a video, and the idea was to have this 5-wave impulse turning into wave 1 here of a larger degree, and then having our wave 2 of a larger degree here, and then we have a move going to the upside for the wave 3 of the larger degree. But unfortunately this didn't happen, so this didn't happen. Instead, we had a move like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so we're supposed to have a correction around the 50% Fibonacci, and our 50% Fibonacci was here, and I indicated that, guys, if price breaks below this 50%, the count changes. It will no longer be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The whole count changes. So now what we're going to look at today, we're going to look at this. Now the structure that we now have an A, a B, and a C. So as you know, guys, this is a zigzag. A zigzag is known for a 5, 3, 5. 5 impulse wave and an A, B, C correction. This is what we have, an A, B, C correction. So what's left now, guys, is for us to complete the C wave going down, and that is what we're going to focus on today. So guys, let me show you what you should expect here. This is what you should expect, because we already have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and the last wave, the wave 5. Right, on V75, the structure that has formed something like this, something more like this, something like this has formed on V75. If you check on the daily charts, we have a structure, we have something like this: A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. Right, take note, guys. A, let me use another different color. What can I do? Let me use what? Green. Right, guys. If you look here, this green leg down, this is the leg that we're looking at here. This is the leg that we're looking at, the green leg here, this is what we're looking at. So we'll be having something like W, X, Y. So this is what we're going to be having, a 3, 3, 3, or you call it a double three with the yellow wave here as the connector. This is a wave H, the yellow. We've got an A, B, C to make a W, then we've got an A, B, C to make an X, we've got an A, B, C to make a Y. So we may have something like this, or it can even continue to be something like this: W, X, Y, a W, X, Y, then we have an X here, then we have another W, X, Y, X, and then here we have a Z. So watch out for something like this, guys. Watch out for something like that. So now what we are left with, guys, this wave 4 is not yet complete. It's not yet complete. The wave 4, it's something like this. We may have something like this for the wave 4. Look carefully, guys. Look carefully. We may have something like this for the wave 4. As you can see, is the wave Y, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. So for the wave 4, we may have something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a big move to the downside. So here we will be having something like the wave 4 here and the wave 5 here at the bottom. This is the first scenario of what our wave 4 may be like. This is the first scenario. Then the second scenario. Okay, guys, when you see something like this is not just a matter of buying and a matter of selling. Usually when a setup like this forms, I don't buy here at the bottom, I don't buy here, I don't buy here. So what I do, I wait for price to reach the upper trend line, I sell, I take my profit here, I don't buy, I wait. I wait for the price again to rise and reach here, I sell, I take my profit here at the bottom, I don't buy, I wait for the price to reach the upper part of the trend line, then I sell again here. Right, there's something that you have to be careful of. Usually these synthetic indices have a tendency of blowing. They have a tendency of blowing the upper trend line. Excuse me. They have a tendency of blowing the upper trend line. What I mean is this, right? This wave this wave 5 may end around these levels and make a reversal to the downside, or it may blow, overshoot this upper trend line and make a reversal around these levels going down. And however, if the reversal does happen, if ever the reversal happens, there's one thing you should note. This wave 3 here, the length of wave 3 here excuse me, sorry guys for that. The length of wave 3 here cannot be broken by the length of wave 5. So usually wave 5 here may overshoot, but the length will not be greater than wave 3 here. Okay, that was the first scenario. The second scenario, what I have something like this for the second scenario. An A, this is, we're going to label it an A. Let me do this. Then we have a 1, 2, 3. This is the first scenario. And then we're going to have something like an A, B, and a C. Then we're going to have something like an A, B, C. Anyway, this has been exaggerated, so take note guys, I've over exaggerated the length of that thing. I'm not trying to scale here. And then we have this move to the upside. So expect something like this guys. Expect something like this. Here an A, this correction here, the wave B, which is a flat wave B, and wave C. This is what you should expect. If you look closely here, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Here we've got to use a different color. Here we've got our wave A, right? Then here there's a 3 wave here. There's a 3 wave, there's 3 waves there. There's another wave up there. There's another wave going down there. Then lastly, we have the blue wave coming to touch this line, giving us an a B, and lastly the C to make our wave 4. So there is a very good sell opportunity around these levels. A very good sell opportunity around these levels on V75. Very good sell opportunity on V75. So guys, let's continue. Right, one other thing, then here, from here we're going to expect a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. Right, this level is our maximum target. This is the maximum target. This is for the conservative traders, and this one for the aggressive traders. Conservative and aggressive traders. So guys, happy trading. I hope you make a good fortune out of this analysis. So what we are expecting now is this. But first, you have to make sure you wait for this correction to complete. Don't rush. Don't rush because you will lose all your money. You will lose all your money. Don't rush. Don't rush. So wait for this correction to finish. Wait for this correction to complete. A clever trader is a patient trader. Wait for this correction to complete here. Wait for this correction to complete, and then from these levels, we enter and we rob the banks. This is the trade that we are waiting for. Happy trading, guys, and good luck.